Come and enjoy this.
Let's pack our bags, it's time to go to the sandy beach where the waves flow. Grab your hat and a sunscreen too. The sun is shining, sky so blue. Flip-flops on, let's feel the sand. Squishy, soft, and oh so grand. Build a castle tall and wide with shells and stones to decorate the side. The waves come crashing, splish and splash. Jump and giggle as the waters dash. Collecting treasures, oh what fun! Shiny shells glimmer in the sun. A kite flies high with a tail so bright, dancing around in the sunlight. Buckets and shovels dig away. Let's make the moat for the tide to stay. Seagulls soar and sing their song as the salty breeze blows all day long. Crabs crawl sideways, quick and small. We watch them scuttle, and that's not all. Splashing in the sea, the water feels cool, like nature's very own giant pool. Skipping stones across the wave, counting skips is the game we crave. Don't forget a picnic treat, sandwiches, fruits, and juice so sweet. Ice cream melts in a happy hand as we laugh and play in this magical land. As the sun dips low, the sky turns red. It's time to say goodbye, time to head. The beach will wait for another day, where we'll laugh, explore, and play.